Hey everyone, this is Caitlin, also known as Curlsbythedozen. Today we are trying out the new Oats and Honey collection from Mielle Organics. I started off by shampooing my hair with this soothing shampoo, and this shampoo gave my hair a really nice lather. My hair didn't feel stripped after rinsing it out, and the scent was very light but still pleasant. I followed up with the soothing conditioner, and this conditioner left my hair feeling so soft, and after rinsing it out, I also noticed my hair was very shiny. Next up, I applied the soothing leave-in conditioner, which was very nice as well. I liked that the consistency was light, but the product was still penetrating my hair strands. The Oats and Honey collection was made especially for those with sensitive scalp and/or any scalp issues like dandruff or itchy scalp. I will be keeping it simple and doing a twist out on medium sections. The next product I will be applying to my hair is the Soothing Hair Balm. This product is going to keep the flyaways at bay and give the hair a soft yet flexible hold. Another great product within this collection is the Soothing Scalp Stick, which is made to nourish and saturate the scalp with ingredients like olive, shea butter, and of course, oats and honey. I like how much softer my hair gets after applying each product from this collection. As you can see, I didn't apply any water to my hair while styling, and it's retaining moisture from these products very well. I'm very impressed. It's definitely the shine for me. So my hair is done. How will I maintain it overnight? Well, the Oats and Honey bundle comes with a silk bonnet, and it's adjustable and reversible. Plus it's super cute. The Oats and Honey collection is for all hair types, and it's super lightweight. My hair isn't heavy or oversaturated with product, but I still get the definition and shine I aim for when styling my hair. If you're interested in purchasing the Oats and Honey collection, head over to www.mielleorganics.com and purchase your bundle or your singles right now. Let me know what you think down below and share with me what product you look forward to most from this collection. See you next time.